DRG Kids.
Story Unique Family. There was a village named Maheshmati. A family lived there. There were 3 married couples living in it. The daughter-in-laws had united the family. But these brothers used to get angry with each other. It made the whole family very sad. One day, the mother-in-law called the 3 daughter-in-laws and said,
Daughters-in-law, all of you know that I have always considered you 3 as my own daughters. And this family has always been united till so far. But now all 3 of you have to take care of this family.
Yes, mother-in-law, we understand your point and we will follow your order.
Daughter-in-law, as you already know that, the 3 brothers are not getting along very well. I want the 3 of you to do something so that the 3 of them get together.
Daughters-in-law, I tried very hard to make the 3 understand. But the tension between them is building up day by day. I really want my family to be as happy as we were earlier.
This is what I want. It doesn't feel good to see kids fighting at this age. So please do something, daughter-in-laws.
I really don't know what has happened among the 3. When they were kids, they really loved each other. My heart says that the love is still there. But maybe there is something unspoken among them that they have kept in their hearts as a secret. Till the time the 3 of them do not share their grievances with each other, I'm afraid their differences will continue.
All the daughter-in-laws kept quiet and thought about this in the kitchen.
Mummy and Papa are right. The bitterness is increasing among the brothers. We have to do something.
Yes, Didi, you're right. Even I don't like seeing them in this condition.
Didi, but what should we do about it?
All 3 of them think about it.
Didi, I have one suggestion for you. Yes, tell me, Radha.
Yes, please tell us. What's your suggestion?
I suggest that all the 3 brothers should be locked in a room and they should be asked to talk and resolve their issues. Yes, Radha, your suggestion is very good, but it should not make things worse. Didi, till the time all the 3 brothers don't talk and resolve their issues, they won't be able to live together peacefully. And so the issues will keep increasing. We will not let them out of the room unless and until the 3 of them speak their minds to each other.
Yes, all this is fine. But how will you send them to the same room?
Rani thinks about this for a moment.
I will send Rakesh.
I will send Ramesh to the room on time. I have confidence in myself.
I will also send Sunil to the room. We have to do this.
All the 3 daughter-in-laws agree upon this and then they get back to their work.
Listen, I have to take something from the storeroom. You also come with me.
Yes, why not? Let me help you.
Bringing him to the room, Rani locks Rakesh in the room.
Rani, what are you doing? I'm locked in the room. Open up.
Rakesh, wait a minute. I will open the door.
Come on, hurry up, Rani.
In the same manner, Mahima and Radha also locked their husbands in the same room. The 3 brothers understand the story by looking at each other when they see each other. Then a letter comes in from under the door.
See, there is a letter in there.
Yes, I'll get it. What's written in it? Come on, read it. The 3 of us have locked the 3 of you inside the room so that you can talk to each other and solve your ongoing issues. We will open the door only after that. That is why it would be good for the 3 of you to clear all the misunderstandings.
The 3 brothers make faces and they start talking to each other.
We all know the 3 women very well. Those 3 will not let us go out until we resolve our issues.
Yes, you are right, big brother. Yes, even I also think that what has happened among the 3 of us, we should talk and resolve the matter. After all, for how long will we continue to make the whole family upset like this?
Nowadays, I have been busy at work. But it does not mean that I am upset with both of you. I am glad to see the progress of both of you. But sometimes I am stressed because of my work, and I vent it out on both of you.
True. Even I am unable to communicate because of workload. And due to our lack of communication, our neighbors provoke us to quarrel with each other. True, brother. How long will you pretend that you're busy with work?
What do you mean?
Brother, we are all working. Even dad used to work. But tell me, is it right to bring workload home? Bringing the workload home will disrupt the peaceful atmosphere here. The truth is that you cannot control your anger, brother. I totally agree with Sunil, brother. During our childhood, you were not so angry. Do you remember how much we used to love each other during our childhood? Do you remember when father was about to scold me because of my mischief? You were the only one who always came as my savior. Yes, brother. We have grown up seeing you and learned so much from you. But how did you suddenly change so much?
You are right. I myself didn't realize how I changed so much. Since childhood, I am shouldering your responsibilities. You both are very close to my heart. I never wanted both of you to be in any kind of trouble. While performing my duties, I never realized how everything just changed.
Brother, we were small back then, but we've grown up now. So now it's also our duty to share the responsibilities with you and help you. Yes, brother, we all have to work together. That is most important. Unless the three of us agree to work together, no one will be happy.
But I do not want to put so much burden on your shoulders. After all, both of you are younger to me.
Brother, although we are younger than you, but it is also our duty to fulfill the responsibility of housework and work. Please let us do the needful. Yes, brother. And if the three of us share this workload evenly, then it won't come across as a burden anymore. And just think about it. Even you won't have so much pressure on you. And then the home environment will also stay positive. Just think about it. Everyone at home will be happy again. No one will be benefited from this anger. And this will only make our family upset.
I didn't realize when both of you grew up so much. Dad is right. When the young members of the house realize their responsibility, they actually grow up. I apologize to both of you. I was skeptical to accept this.
All the three brothers hug each other. 4 hours later, the three brothers send a letter from under the door, and the elder daughter-in-law reads it.
We three brothers have resolved our issues and we assure you that we will never fight with each other. All three of us have signed.
Radha opens the door, and the three married couples are happy to see each other, and they go downstairs together. Seeing all the brothers happy together, if our daughter-in-laws were never educated and cultured, it would have never happened.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Only a woman can prove to be a big factor in keeping the family united.
The three married couples touch the feet of their mother and father, and they take their blessings. After the disagreement between them ended, the whole family become happy, and their love for each other has increased even more. Now everyone lives happily with each other, and there are no fights between them.